Okay, well, I've been pretty overweight, all my life, since I was in my teen. So, as I got heavier and heavier over the years, it was very difficult to, do things like activities, and it was just much harder. And, you can't really be as active as when, you're fit, so I made a, proactive to be, to actually do something about it. Because
Yes.
when you're overweight, you feel sluggish, you just don't feel good at all, and you do feel ugly when when you're overweight. So that's when I decided to do my lap band.
Okay. And when you start, are you exercising now?
Yes, yes. I try to do it like 2-3 times a week. Just walking, or sometimes I do go to the gym or walk around my neighborhood, or do Zumba. So
What do you attribute your keeping your weight off now to? Is it a combination of things, or one thing, or many things?
well, it's a combination of eating much healthier foods. Less less. I eat a lot brown rice. I substitute the white rice with brown rice, and I eat more lean protein and more veggies, and with little exercise. When I'm not too tired from work. So
Now, have you ever heard of the rhythm diet?
yes, I actually took that the protein shake as part of when I had my pre-op, before I had my lap band, and I lost about 15 pounds just doing the rhythm diet, with the protein shake.
Oh, great. And was it one of those that taste like chalk or nasty, or was it delicious? How did
No,
it taste?
it was really good. I mean, I like it. I'm very, very particular with shakes and all those, but I like the protein shake that the rhythm diet had to offer. So
What's your favorite flavor?
I like the chocolate. I like the
Okay.
chocolate, but the strawberry is good too. But I like the chocolate. So.
Now, are you sleeping well also?
Yes, actually, before, when I was very heavy and very much like morbidly obese, I had sleep apnea, and I had diabetes. And when I started losing weight, I noticed that I didn't have diabetes anymore, and my sleep apnea. I'm still doing the therapy, but it did go away. I don't wake up like choking. Because with sleep apnea, you tend to wake up like a couple times. A couple times like in the middle of the night, and that's when you don't get enough sleep. And when I started losing weight, I don't feel as sluggish anymore. I get more of a 6 to 8 hours sleep, and it just feels so much better. I have more energy, I have more energy to do things, and